In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Element's subscription. We'll walk through the process from landing on the site to completing your purchase with simple tips to make everything smooth and clear. First, open your browser and go to elements.envato.com. This is the home of Envato Elements, where you can access a library of digital assets like graphics, templates, fonts, music, and more. It's best to do this on a desktop for the clearest view, though it also works on mobile. Once the site loads, look toward the top of the page and click on Pricing. This takes you to the Plans page, where you'll choose the subscription that fits your needs. On the pricing page, you'll see three main options. The individual plan is listed at $16.50 USD per month and is great if you're just buying for yourself. The team plan at $37.25 USD per month is designed for groups who need shared access and collaboration, and the enterprise option offers tailored plans with dedicated account management for organizations of any size. Prices may vary by region or currency, and taxes can apply. So, take a moment to confirm the totals shown for your location. Also look for any notes about monthly versus yearly billing, since some plans may offer savings if you pay annually. Once you've decided which plan fits you, click Start Now. You'll be taken to checkout. Before you fill anything in, double check that the plan and price shown match what you selected. If you already have an Envato account, you might be prompted to sign in. If not, you'll be able to create one during the process. This is normal and helps link your subscription to your downloads and licensing. Now enter your checkout details. Provide accurate billing information and select your preferred payment method. If you have a promo code, this is usually where you apply it. Make sure your email is correct, since that's where you'll receive your receipt and important account information. Take a moment to review the order summary, including any taxes, the billing interval, and renewal terms. If you're choosing team or enterprise, be aware that you may need to manage seats or coordinate with their team after purchase. When everything looks good, click Complete Order. The payment will process, and your subscription will activate. You'll receive a confirmation, and from there, you can start browsing and downloading assets right away. Keep your account details secure, and remember to review licensing notes on the site so you use assets correctly in your projects. That's it. Quick, clear, and done. Enjoy your new Envato Elements subscription, and happy creating.